myself Bingi Aryas from Pramod Dada Mane Polytechnic College. Today I am going to teach determinant topic. Point is Cramer's rule for two equation in two variables. Cramer's rule for two equation in two variables. Consider the equation is a1x plus b1y is equal to c1 is our equation 1. a2x plus b2y is equal to c2 is our equation 2. For Cramer's rule, first we have to find. For Cramer's rule, first we have to find d, dx and dy. Here we have two variables x and y. Therefore find dx and dy. Now how can we find d? D is equal to, this is determinant of, this is determinant of coefficient of x and coefficient of y. Coefficient of x and coefficient of y. In first column, write coefficient of x, and in second column write coefficient of y. In first column write coefficient of x, and in second column coefficient of y. In equation 1 coefficient of x is a1. In equation 2 coefficient of x is a2. In equation 1 coefficient of y is b1. In equation 2 coefficient of y is b2. Now next point is dx. dx. For dx, this is determinant of, this is determinant of coefficient of x replaced by constant in d. In dx, it has the variable x. Therefore, coefficient of x replaced by constant and coefficient of y as it is. Coefficient of x in d, coefficient of x replaced by constant and coefficient of y as it is. Now, what is constant? Right side of the equation, that is c1, c2 is our constant, and coefficient of y b1. Here coefficient of y is b2. Now find dy. dy, this is determinant of, this is determinant of coefficient of y replaced by constant in d. dy, it has a variable y. Therefore, in d, coefficient of x as it is and coefficient of y replaced by constant. Coefficient of x in first column, coefficient of x as it is and coefficient of y replaced by constant. Write coefficient of x a1, coefficient of x a2. Now constant right side of the equation, that is c1, c2. Now by Cramer's rule, x is equal to dx upon d. We have the formula by Cramer's rule, x is equal to dx upon d and y is equal to dy upon d. This is the procedure of Cramer's rule for two equation in two variables. Here, how can find d? In d, in first column write coefficient of x and in second column write coefficient of y. In dx, it has a variable x. Therefore, coefficient of x replaced by constant and coefficient of y as it is. In dy, it has variable y. Coefficient of x as it is and coefficient of y replaced by constant. And what is the formula of Cramer's rule? X is equal to dx upon d and y is equal to dy upon d. Now, let's see the example of Cramer's rule for two equations in two variables. Solve. solve the equations x plus y equal to 0. Solve the equations x plus y equal to 0, 2x minus y equal to 9 by using Cramer's rule. Solution. First write the equation x plus y equal to 0 is our equation 1. 2x minus y is equal to 9 is our equation 2. For Cramer's rule, we have to find first d. Here two variables x and y. Therefore find dx and dy. First find d. D is equal to coefficient of x in second column, coefficient of y. Coefficient of x 1. Here equation 2. In equation 2 coefficient of x is 2. In equation 1 coefficient of y 1. In equation 2 coefficient of y is minus 1. Now solve the second order determinant. 1 into minus 1 minus sign. Then multiply these both. 2 into 1 2 minus 1 minus 2 minus 3. Now find dx. In dx it has x variable. Therefore coefficient of x replaced by constant and coefficient of y as it is. What is constant? Right side of the equation, that is 0 and 9. 0 9. Coefficient of y 1. Here coefficient of y minus 1. In equation 1 coefficient of y is 1 and in equation 2 coefficient of y is minus 1. Solve this second order determinant. First multiply this both value. 0 into minus 1 0 minus multiply this both value. 9 into 1 9. 0 minus 9. Answer is minus 9. Now find dy. Dy is equal to, in dy it has a variable y. Therefore coefficient of x as it is, and coefficient of y replaced by constant. In first column coefficient of x as it is, and in second column coefficient of y is replaced by constant. Write coefficient of x. Coefficient of x is 1. Here coefficient of x is 2. Constant right side of the equation, that is 0 and 9. 0 9. Solve the second order determinant. First multiply these both value. 1 into 9 9 minus multiply these both value. 2 into 0 0. 9 minus 0. Answer is 9. Now by Cramer's rule, x is equal to dx upon d, y is equal to dy upon d. Already we find d, dx and dy. Dx, what is dx? Dx is equal to minus 9. D is equal to minus 3. Y. dy is equal to 9. And d is equal to minus 3. Minus get cancelled. 3 3s are 9. Therefore x is equal to 3. 3 3s are 9. Therefore y is equal to minus 3. Therefore we get the value of x and y. This is the Cramer's rule for two equations in two variables. Let us see the next example. Next example. Solve 5 upon x plus 2 y plus 1 is equal to 2. 10 upon x plus 2 minus 3 upon y plus 1 is equal to 1. By using Cramer's rule. Solution given. The equation 5 upon x plus 2 plus 3 upon y plus 1 is equal to 10 upon x plus 2 minus 3 upon y plus 1 is equal to 1. First, to convert these equation in linear form. For this, put here 1 upon x plus 2. Here second equation is also 1 upon x plus 2. 1 upon y plus 1, and in second equation here also 1 upon y plus 1. First put 1 upon x plus 2. Put 1 upon x plus 2 is equal to a, and 1 upon y plus 1 is equal to b. Then the equation becomes. Put here 5 add 1 upon x plus 2. 1 upon x plus 2 is equal to a plus 3 add 1 upon y plus 1 is b. Is equal to 2. Now 10 add 1 upon x plus 2 is a minus 3 add 1 upon y plus 1 is b is equal to 1. This is our equation 1 and this is our equation 2. Now here two equation in two variables a and b. First solve this equation by Cramer's rule. We have to find by Cramer's rule. We have to find here first d. Here two variable a and b. Therefore find dA and dB. Here we have the variable a and b. Therefore find dA and dB. First find d. In first column write coefficient of a, and in second column write coefficient of b. Coefficient of a 5. In second equation coefficient of a is 10. In first equation coefficient of b is 3. In second equation coefficient of b is minus 3. First solve this second order equation. Multiply these both. 5 into minus 3 minus 15 minus 7. Then multiply these both. 10 into 3 30 minus 15 minus 30, that is minus 45. Next dA. Here in dA it has a variable a. Therefore replace coefficient of a by constant and coefficient of b as it is. Coefficient of a replaced by constant and coefficient of b as it is. What is constant? Right side of the equation, that is 2 and 1. And coefficient of b 3. In second equation coefficient of b is minus 3. Solve this second order equation. Multiply this both value. 2 into minus 3 minus 6 minus 1 into 3 minus 6 minus 3. Answer is minus 9. Now find dB. In dB, coefficient of a as it is and coefficient of b replaced by constant. In dB, coefficient of A as it is and coefficient of B replaced by constant. Coefficient of A 5 in equation to coefficient of A 10 and constant is right side of the equation 2 1. 2 1. Solve the second order equation. First multiply these both values 5 into 1 5 minus multiply these both values 10 into 2 20 5 minus 20 answer is minus 15. Now by Cramer's rule, A is equal to dA upon D and B is equal to dB upon D, because in equation we have the variable A and B. Therefore, by Cramer's rule, A is equal to dA upon D and B is equal to dB upon D. Find dA. Here we find dA, that is minus 9. Minus 9 upon D is minus 45. Minus 45. B is equal to dB. dB is equal to minus 50 and B is equal to minus 45. Minus minus get cancelled. 9 5 is 45. A is equal to 1 by 5. Minus minus get cancelled. 15 3 is 45. B is equal to 1 by 3. We get the value of A and B. But here A is equal to 1 upon x plus 2 is equal 1 upon x plus 2. And here B is equal to 1 upon y plus 1. B is equal to 1 upon y plus 1. Also we find A. A is 1 by 5. 1 upon x plus 2, 1 upon x plus 2 as it is. B is 1 by 3. 1 upon y plus 1 as it is. By inverted row or by reverse process, 5 is equal to x plus 2. 3 is equal to y plus 1. X is equal to plus 5 minus 2 and y is equal to 3 minus 1. Therefore, x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 2. We get the value of x and y. In this equation, the important is if the question has x and y variable, then the answer must be in x and y. We must find the value of x and y. Okay, this is the Cramer's rule for two equations in